Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have a couple of birthday cards that I've created for my family and I would like to share with you. So let's get started. So I hope I will be able to travel this fall. I did buy myself a ticket to Germany. I would like to go home in October, late September, early October. It is my sister's 60th birthday coming up and I would love to be with her on her special day. So I'm crossing my fingers that I will be able to travel. Like I said, I bought my ticket and yes, if I cannot travel, I can use that ticket at some later time, but of course I would love to go, so I'm crossing my fingers. And now I was thinking I need to make something special for her, and I didn't just want to make a card because it is her 60th birthday. I made a card album. And I would like to share this with you. So the decorations and all the sentiments are in German, so don't worry about that because this is obviously for my sister. But what I used here is these large tags, and I found those are by Graphic 45, and they have these large tags. Actually, what they call it is the large tag album. And it's in ivory color, and they are indeed very large. I think they're almost 9 inches long. So yes, they're almost no, not quite 8.5 inches long, and then about 3 3/4 inches wide. So large tags. And then there's also this clip ring here that you can keep the tags together. So that's what I have done here. And then of course when you have all these tags, you are looking for paper that you can use. And I am in love with Paper Boutique. You know that. So I found the Summer Sunshine Paper Kit. And those of you familiar with the Paper Boutique, you know there's a lot of paper in these packs. 36 decorative papers in 6 designs, and also 32 die cut toppers in 8 designs. So this is a combination pack of papers and die cut toppers, and I thought it would be perfect for her birthday album. So just to show a few images from this pack, these are so gorgeous. The papers in pink and in the greens, the roses here, and I got a little bird on it. There are single-sided, and the size is 8 by 8. It's really gorgeous paper, and I love how it came out for my little album. Here you got this bicycle, which I think is my favorite. I love this bicycle with the flower basket. Let's see, then we have butterflies, and of course the cute little bird in a semi-weave. So we got those 6 papers, and they're in there 6 times, and then we have these die cuts as well. So there are circle die cuts, and here I already missed one. They come out very easily. So see how pretty these die cuts are. So you have those, and then you also have square die cuts. And some have sentiments, but others don't. And then there are some sentiments here to the side as well. And let's see what they say here. So you got warm wishes, and with lots of love, just for you, and happy days. So this is such a pretty summer pack of papers, and that's what I have used for my album. So when you take a look at this album, so it is held together by this ring here that you can just snap open. And here on the front page, I have just added one of the pretty papers. This is a 3D, easy 3D ornament, the candles, and I'm gonna link them below, and I thought it looked very pretty. And then I just have a German sentiment here, And then when you open it up, what I have done here is I have put paper on every single page. Now this says basically happy birthday, and I do want to add some handwritten text here, sentiments that I have not done yet. And for you to look at this, you wouldn't need to see that, but I can put maybe a picture here and add some wishes, my good wishes. I'm thinking of 60 different birthday wishes I wanted to let her know. And then here is, of course, for her 60th birthday, with love. And I just added a little doily that I punched out. And this is one of a die cut that I had in my stash. And here again we see this beautiful birdie, which is a die cut from the pack, and all I did is I added another doily, another German little poem there. Here I got the butterfly paper, added this cute little envelope. This is a die that I recently bought. I think it is, let's see, I have to look where I got this, but I believe this might be a Crafter's Companion die. But you know, any little envelope, or you can even make it yourself. It doesn't have to be as ornate. Another little sentiment there. And then I have more pages here that I think I'm going to fill with a couple of pictures. We do go on vacations together, so I'm finding a few pictures as a memory. And then there it is. So this is a full album, and what I will do is I'm going to create an envelope. I have started creating an envelope, and here it is. The thing is, this is just not right yet, because it wasn't, you know, you need some width. You can see how thick this is. And this fits now, but of course I need to redo it. The one that I tried, I didn't fold it correctly. This should be a gusseted look, and it is not quite right yet. But I know now how to do it, so I'm gonna just add a little ribbon here, and then I have this in at least like in a bag type of thing. So I have to redo this. But here it is, and I think it came out nice, and it will just serve beautifully for an anniversary birthday. And then I have a second birthday if I am able to go, and this is my stepmom's birthday. Her birthday is also in October, so I made a birthday card for her. And a couple of weeks ago I introduced to you the Stamperia papers, and this is, remember, I made all these cute little cards with these Circle of Love papers and die cuts. But in the same company has different ones, and I found more 8x8 paper packs. So there is the House of Roses, and then also the Provence scrapbooking. And I use the Provence scrapbooking papers for my birthday card for my stepmom. So in these packs you have 10 double-sided sheets, and these are so gorgeous. So of course I already opened up one pack, so let me show you. This is the one that I cut into, and you can see it here on my card. So I made a slimline card, and this is a large slimline card because I wanted to use a lot of these cutouts. And first of all, the background paper is of course this lilac background, and then here I cut out 2 of those panels, and what I used here is my scissors that has this uneven edge, and then I just inked it a little bit, because if you can see this, it is already coming like it is pre-inked. So if you use your, and you can see how I used my scissors here, if you use your decorative edge scissors and then just ink it a little bit more, it just looks perfect. just like it was intended. But let me show you the papers because they are so gorgeous. On the back you have tags, so you could actually cut these out and use them as tags because they have the perfect back. Okay, I didn't do this here because obviously I did glue it down. Now, really quick, look how gorgeous these lavender papers are. I like the wooden background. It's just very pretty. And then an overall wooden background here. Let's see what we got. This is very nice as well. So like a collage look. Same on the background, a little bit different. So you really don't know which one you want to use. Both sides are very pretty. Here is the lavender in bloom, and you even see the little butterfly. All very rustic. This is the page that I used on, no, this is not, this looks like, let me see, where's my card? No, this is almost looks like the one that I used, but it's similar. This one has little roses in the same color. Again, some wood grain in those pretty purple and blue colors. Yeah, here's the one that I have used. This is the sheet that I used for my card. And then look, these beautiful cut aparts. This window here looking out into this pretty countryside. You got a little tag here, lavender. For journaling, you have tags you can cut out. This pretty linen purple background, a polka dot. Love these tags. And these are not too hard to cut out. This might be more challenging here, but these have straight lines. There's a script. This overall design. And here as well. More cut aparts. And again, these are double-sided, so when you do cut them apart, you can actually use them as a tag. So if you use this one and cut it out as a tag, then this will be your back side. I like that. That's nice. And here is the back part, and you can see all the different pages here as well. But yeah, so this is the paper that I have used for this birthday card. So I cut out 2 of these panels. All I did is I cut out purple cardstock that I had, which is actually packaging from one of my sticker sheets. I think that is a Hardy Craft sticker sheet. The puffy stickers come on these purple sheets, and of course you know me, I keep everything, and here it came handy as offset to my panel, so it just pops up a little bit from the background. I just added a little belt here, happy birthday. This is a sticker that comes in many different colors. I have it in my shop, and of course I used the purple, and then I added just this glittery bow just to add a little bit of glitter. 2 of these cute rhinestones here, and these are the doodads, of course, and I will link them below. And that's all it is. I didn't use any stickles this time because I have a lot of bling with this glitter tulle bow, and then of course the 2 rhinestone embellishments. And then I haven't done anything to the inside yet. It is blank. I did create the card blank myself from some heavy white cardstock. And then of course I did create a envelope, and this is these coin style envelopes. They are so easily made because for every card you just lay them down and then look at the size and kind of wrap it around and glue it. So this one here fits perfectly in this coin envelope, and then I can close it. Now I don't need to put a label here because I'm going to hand deliver this card, but you could easily put a white label here for the address. And this is just paper that I had in my stash, a 12 by 12 sheet you would need for these big cards so that they fit. So I hope you liked the projects I did with these very pretty papers. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me also a comment. I would love to hear from you. Again, heads up, I may be going on vacation. I will let you know because there will be then a few weeks where I'm not available. But I think I'm going to start all my fall products relatively soon so that you have the opportunity to shop before I go on vacation. But this is all I have for you today. Please stay or get well and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye.